Hello everyone. Here we are on a Tuesday, the 24th of December, 2019. It is about 1:30 in the afternoon, and we're making a flight around the house on Clearview Road. There hasn't been too much done since yesterday the way it looks. It was just a pretty nice day, and I thought I'd get the drone out and go for a flight around and see what's going on. Temperature in the mid 30s, very light breeze blowing, and it's sunny. So all in all, a pretty nice day today. And the usual applies. Down in the comment section there'll be a link. You can go back and look at the previous video. Have a good day everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.